Hi everyone, today I informed you how to use two mobile number in your WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp. Now you go to update tabs and click on three dot menu above and select settings option. Now tap the arrow beside your profile name. Now click on add account. Click now agree and continue. Now type your phone number. Tap now yes and tap to next. Complete the verification process by entering here the code you received via SMS or call. So dear friends, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel to get more such tips and tricks related videos, and follow me on Facebook. Now type your name here and tap to next. Now your account has been added. Now you can to switch your account from here. So go to three dot menu and click on switch account.